Hello there. My name is ByteVault. Today I am going to talk about developer roadmaps. Developer roadmaps serve as valuable guides for aspiring and seasoned developers alike, outlining the skills and knowledge needed to progress in specific areas of expertise. One popular roadmap for web development begins with foundational skills like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, followed by proficiency in front-end frameworks such as React or Angular. From there, expanding knowledge in back-end technologies like Node.js and databases like Mongo or MySQL is recommended. Mastery of version control systems like Git and understanding deployment processes are also crucial. Additionally, gaining familiarity with concepts like API development, testing frameworks, and performance optimization can enhance one's skill set. It is advisable to explore additional technologies and frameworks depending on specific interests, such as mobile app development with React Native, or native languages like Swift or Kotlin. Continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest industry trends, security practices, and accessibility standards are essential components of a developer roadmap. Ultimately, the roadmap should be personalized, allowing developers to continually challenge themselves and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of technology. For example, if you want to learn about front-end, they give you the best roadmap to learn about it. I will show you. The front-end developer roadmap provides a clear path for individuals interested in mastering the art of creating user interfaces and delivering captivating user experiences. It typically starts with fundamental web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Building a solid foundation in these languages is crucial before venturing into front-end frameworks and libraries like React, Vue.js, or Angular. Proficiency in responsive web design, cross-browser compatibility, and accessibility are key elements of a front-end developer's skill set. Learning and implementing CSS preprocessors like Sass or less, as well as familiarizing oneself with build tools such as Webpack or Parcel, can greatly enhance productivity. Additionally, gaining expertise in modern UI, UX principles, including component-based architecture, state management, and integrating apps is vital. Staying up to date with emerging trends like progressive web apps, PWA letters, and CSS and JS is highly recommended to remain competitive in the ever-evolving field of front-end development. The best thing is that they provide guides and videos to improve your developer skills. This roadmap is very important for beginners. If you want to download this roadmap, they allow you to download. This is the best roadmap for beginners. They provide you many things to learn and improve your skills. Front-end developer, full-stack developer, Android developer, blockchain developer, software architect, Flutter developer, cybersecurity expert, UX design, React Native developer, computer science curriculum with free resources for a self-taught developer, React developer, Angular developer, Vue developer, Node.js developer, Python developer, Java developer, Go developer, software design and architecture. To practice your skills, they provide you front-end performance, API security, code reviews, IWS. They provide you many guides and videos. It helps to improve your knowledge. Okay, today we taught about developer roadmaps. Follow our channel for more videos if you like.